My name's Salwan Hanna, work for Pipe Range. I'm a plumbing install. I have my buddy, he talk a lot about Pipe Range and he called me 2-3 times and he got good benefit and really nice company, and I'm apply for application and I tell them I come from different company, and that's why that company I don't have no benefit, no nothing, just that's why, you know, I'm so happy here. And well, thank you so much. My buddy, he called me and he tell me and he got application, and yeah, I do company and same company like plumber company, but I'll be honest with you, there's no benefit, and even I have 4 kids, there's no insurance, no all that kind of. That's why I come to Pipe Range. He got all that benefit. I'm so happy, and well, I have beautiful job here and very spec, and I love that. I'm enjoy with Pipe Range. I love do most of the time like job, and I like do water heater and PRV, and I enjoy it. You know, I want to learn more and more, and when I go home, I love mowing my yard. And my wife, she still say, "What are you doing? You're not supposed to be cut it every day." I love cut tree and clean, and I keep my house 24-hour clean. And that's why when I come to Pipe Range, I want to show how my house clean. That's what I do. I have to do what I have to my house, like so clean. That's why I love when I come to Pipe Range. I see it's different. I've been here in the United States 13 years. Never in my life worked for that company, like clean spec. And thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys.